Hello students, let us start today's class. In the last class, we have started a new chapter, that is your chapter 16, that is perimeter and area. Okay, in that class you have got the definition of perimeter, the definition of area, a few formulae. After that, question number 1 and 2, the images were given to you. 1, 2, not only 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 I think. Okay, so let me explain. Let me start with the exercise today. Explanation was not given that day. Let me give the explanation today. Okay, so exercise 16.1, question number 1. Find the area of the given figure. The figure was given to you. Okay, the figure from the book itself, I have drawn the figure. Just what I have done, I have given the names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so area of this figure. By dotted lines, I have joined this point H and G. I have joined so that this forms one rectangle, here forms another rectangle. So area of this figure, this is not a particular what to say, a figure which is having formula for finding the perimeter. No, you have not got such formula for finding the perimeter of such a figure. Clear? So we have joined it to make two rectangles. Rectangle this, rectangle this. So area of this rectangle plus the area of this rectangle will give you the area of the whole figure. So that is the thing we have done. Area of the figure is equal to area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle EFGH. So ABCD. ABCD means this. What is the length? The formula is length into breadth. Length into breadth means 25 into 2 square meter plus 15 into 2 square meter. So 25 into 2 is 50 square meter plus 30 square meter. That is your 80 square meter. Clear? Okay. So this is all about your question number 1. Clear? Now let us go to question number 2. Question number 2, it's very easy. Let us go to question number 2. Clear? Now see question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle. Here already it is given, it is a rectangle. Given length of the rectangle is this, breadth of the rectangle is this, area of the rectangle length into breadth. So length into breadth means 24 into 18. You can give one bracket here. If you don't give also no harm. 24 into 18. And the area, the unit comes to be square unit. So as the dimensions are in meter, so square meter, 24 into 18 is 432 square meter. Okay, this is all about your question number 2. Now let me go to question number 3. All of you open your books, my dear students. What is in question number 3? Question number 3, find the cost of painting a door. A door is given, the dimension of the door given. Find the cost of painting a door of length 8.5 meter and breadth 4.5 meter at rupees 6.50 per square meter. Means the rate is given to you. So as you have to paint the door, means on the surface you are to paint. Surface you are to paint means you are not painting in the boundary. You are not painting the boundary, na? You are painting the whole door. That means here the problem is related to area. So what we will do? You will find out the area of the door. Okay. Then rate multiplied by the area will give you the cost of what? Painting the whole door. Understood? Now see whether the dimensions are given in meter and the rate is also given in per square meter. So no need to change. Clear? If dimensions and the rate, the unit, doesn't match, then you are to change the dimensions. Okay? We will be getting this in the next question. Clear? So here no need to change anything. Length of the door, breadth of the door, area of the door. Length into breadth. So after 85 into 45 you multiply, you are getting 3825. Then 1 place, 2 place, 2 place of decimal. This is the area of the door. Given the rate of painting the door is rupees 6.50 per square meter. Okay. Now, hence the required cost of painting the door is what? Your area multiplied by the rate. Area multiplied by the rate. Okay. So what I have done? 3825 into 65. It is up to this. 248625. Then this 0 comes. Now 2 plus 2, 4 places of decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places of decimal. Now, as it is rupees here, after the decimal, we keep 2 decimal. Two places. Na? 2 places. So 248, we have made a rounding here. After 2, it is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, we are rounding to the nearest 100, na? This one. This is after decimal, not nearest 100. Anyways, we are up to this place you have to round. So after this place, it is 5. Is it? 5 or more than 5, you have to add 1 to the previous number. So in accordingly, it will be 63. So 24863. As you have rounded, we will write approx. Clear? Approximately. Actually, it is approximately. If somebody keeps the answer like this also, you will be getting the marks. But if it is a more concise one. Clear to me? Okay. So in this way, you have find out the area of the door. Then area multiplied by the rate gives you the ultimate answer. Clear? Okay. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is same as question number 3. My dear students, if you find any difficulty, you try it at home. Question number 4, 3, 4, 5 all are same. So I am skipping number 4. Number 4 is there in your syllabus. You try it yourself. If you can't do, you can ask me in the physical class. Or if you are not going to the school, even you can ring me up. Okay? No problem. No problem. We'll be there. Then your respected Rajkumar sir is there. You can ask both of us. Okay? If you can't do. Or if you can do, then it's okay. Same type of problem. Okay? So, skipping number 4, I am coming to question number 5. Let us start question number 5. Now, let us come to question number 5. Find the cost of tarring a road. Tarring means putting coal tar on the road. Have you seen? On the surface of the road, coal tar. Or nowadays, bitumen is put. Whatever. It is tarring the road of length. Length of the road is given 25 kilometer and breadth is given in 750 meter. At the rate of rupees 5.25 per square kilometer. See here. Here is difference in the dimensions. So what to do? Okay. Find the cost of tarring a road. Length of the road is given in kilometer. Breadth of the road is given in meter. And the rate is given in per square kilometer. That means as it is per square kilometer, we are to get the area in square kilometer. So for getting the area in square kilometer, the dimension must be in kilometer. So one of them is in kilometer. The one which is not in kilometer, change it that into kilometer, no problem. Length of the road this, breadth of the road is this. So let us change into kilometer. It will be divided by 1000. 10 cancels. Divided by 100 means 0.75 kilometer. You have got it now in kilometer. Now area of the road. Length into breadth. This is the answer. Okay. So given the rate of tarring the road is rupees 5.25 per square kilometer. Hence, the required cost of tarring the road. It is the rate, it is the cost. Area multiplied by rate. So the answer is this. Again here we need rounding. As it is rupees here, 2 places we will keep 3. After that it is more than 5. 5 or more than 5 we will add 1. See, 98.44. Rupees 98.44 is the cost of tarring the road. Clear? Okay? Okay then. Try your question number 4 yourself at home. Clear? Okay then. Now, my dear students, let us come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, a rectangle has the same area as of a square of side 80 centimeter. Okay, a rectangle has the same area as of a square of side 80 centimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 160 centimeter, find the breadth. So there are two figures. One is a rectangle, another is a square. Clear? Okay, the side of the square is given to you and the length of the rectangle is given to you. Moreover, one more information is that both the rectangle and the square, they share the same area. Yes, they have the same area. You are to find out the breadth of the rectangle. Understood? Two figures are there, two plain figures. One is a rectangle, another is a square. The side of the square is given to you and the length of the rectangle is given to you. It is also given that both the figures have the same area. Now you are to find out the breadth of the rectangle. See, given side of the square equal to this, length of the rectangle is this. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x centimeter. Now according to question, area of the rectangle is equal to area of the square. Okay. Clear? Both the areas are same. So area of a rectangle means length into breadth. This is the length, this is the breadth I have supposed. Area of a square means what? Area of a square means side into side. So 80 into 80. So x will be equal to 80 into 80 by 160. 81 ja 80, 82 ja 160, 240. 240 ja 80. So x equal to 40, that is the required breadth of the rectangle is your 40 centimeter. Clear? So this is all about your question number 6. Now let me come to the last question of the exercise. Okay? Okay then. Let us start. Now come to question number 7. Two fields are rectangular. Two fields, one rectangular and the other a square. Again there are two kinds of field. One is rectangular, another is square. Now they share the same perimeter. Okay, that means perimeter of the square field is equal to the perimeter of the rectangular field. Now the sides of the rectangle are given to you. The sides of the rectangle are given to you. You are to find out the area of the square field. Now, my dear students, for finding the area of the square field, you must get the what? You must get the side of the square field first. Am I right? Otherwise, how can you find out the area? If you get the side of the square field, then by the formula side into side, that is side square, you can easily get the area of the square field. Am I right? Okay then. Given length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is given to you. Then your breadth of the rectangle is also given to you. Okay. Here it is. Now let the side of the square field be x meter. Now according to question, perimeter of the square field and perimeter of the rectangular field both are equal. So perimeter of the square field is 4 into x equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 4 into x, 2 into 10.5 plus 1.5 is how much? How much? 10, 12, is it? So 2 into 12. Now x will be equal to 2 into 12 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6. That is the side of the square field is 6 meter. Now you have got the side. So what is the formula for finding the area of the square field? Area of the square, side into side or side square, whatever. So 6 into 6 square meter, that is your 36 square meter. Understood? So here what was given? Here length and breadth of the rectangle given to you, and one there are two kinds of field. One is a rectangular, another is a square field. So given that perimeter, both the field share the same perimeter, you have to find out the area of the square field. So for finding the area of the square field, we must know the side of the square field. Otherwise, how can we find it? Isn't it? Okay then. So in this way we have done. We have got the side of the square field is 6 meter. So your area of the square field accordingly side into side, that is 6 into 6 square, what? 36 square meter. Okay. So with this, my dear students, we have come to the end of the exercise as well as today's class. Okay. In the next class, we will be starting the next exercise. Thank you for today.